Lieutenant General Todd Semonite, 54th Chief of Engineers, and we're on the road again with the Chief. Well, bottom line is we're actually on the river today. I'm here with Major General Mike Weir, the Division Commander of the Mississippi Valley Division. Mike, can you explain a little bit what is the Commission and who are some of our guests here today?
So Chief, thanks for joining the Mississippi River Commission on its low water inspection trip. We're doing this twice a year up and down the river from St. Paul, Minnesota all the way down to the Gulf with 7 commission members, and they are 3 civilians and 3 engineer corps commanders, engineer division commanders that represent that to include a no representative. That enables our nation to maximize its potential within that 41% of our nation's drainage that goes down the Mississippi River. And I'd like to introduce Mr. R.D. James representing our civilian membership.
I am R.D. James. I'm a civil engineer member of the Mississippi River Commission. There are 2 of the members that have to be civil engineers to serve. I'm one of those. I'm from Missouri. The perspective I have on the River Commission is that we go down to the grassroots level, get information from the people up and down this navigation and flood control waterway, and bring it up the chain to the Congress and the administration of the United States.
So that mission also is enhanced by the participation of NOAA. So Rear Admiral Glang, having served, coming up on his 4th year, provides incredible help. Go ahead.
Thanks, General. Good morning. I'm Garrett Glang, Rear Admiral in the NOAA Commission Corps. NOAA has been a part of the Commission since it was conceived in 1879. Besides important weather and water forecasts necessary for the engineering and operation of the river, NOAA also provides science and surveying expertise important for the safety of navigation and the other values that this river brings to this great nation.
So Mike, I think you summed up the task here, and I've been on the boat for a couple of days, but the bottom line is this is a very, very interactive tour where, just as Mr. James said, we're going to be able to talk to the local people down here, understand their concerns with the river, with navigation, with flood control, with levee safety. How do all those things come together to protect our way of life, but to also be able to foster good economic development? And it really goes back to this collaboration so we can be informed in Washington, D.C. at the division headquarters, and to be able to make sure that we're using the river to the best use. So I want to thank you both for being here and the great work. Mike, any closing comments?
Chief, I'd just like to highlight in 30 minutes we're going to have about 3.5 hours of testimony. That message goes all the way up to the Hill in terms of Congress, our administration, the ASA for Civil Works. That message is a continuous input from the river. We're surrounded by industry on the river, navigation behind us, a bridge that goes across the river, you name it. It is happening on the river.
And the Commission's given me about 5 or 6 takeaways, and I'm coming back to D.C. to work with our staff in the next couple of weeks. Bottom line is we got to continue to be able to support and embrace operations like these and to continue to change for good. So I want to thank you for being with us today.